YouTubers, hope you're keeping well. It's been a while since I posted the last video, but yeah, this is quite a nice video really. If you can remember the last video I made and posted out I think it's about 3 weeks ago, it was me on my way to Santapod. So finally I've got all the footage. I did take my GoPro with me to record you guys some interesting footage of the Golf in action. And unfortunately the Golf did break as well while we were there. Luckily I could still drive it back home, so it didn't have to be, you know, trailered home and stuff. But yeah, it was disappointing, you know. I managed to get one clean run in. Second run is when I broke the car, and then after that I was just sort of compromised. But I hope you guys enjoy the video, and yeah, we'll see where to go from here next, guys. But yeah, check it out, see what you think. Okay. Okay. Hey, he's going crazy. car is a bit injured, won't go into first gear. So we have broken first gear, I think, which is not a good sign. But we shall attempt to just pull off in second and see if nothing blows up. Hopefully we can still get a 14 or a 15. We can only try. Right guys, the Golf is damaged with, as I mentioned, as the first gear is gone. It is a problem that occurred some time back, and then I just forced it into first gear and then it worked normal. So yeah, now it's showed itself again and it won't, you know, go back into first. So so at this point, obviously with first gear gone, you know, we can only race with second gear, you know, pulling off in second gear. So as you can see, yeah, I'm just lining up against a 611 bhp Audi TTRS that absolutely annihilates me, but yeah, I enjoy it. Guys, next run again, still broken, so we're just sort of, I don't know, having a bit of fun while we can, eh? Yeah, so at this point, obviously this was the last race, so it was one of them where get the best possible time I could get, you know, pulling off in second gear, riding the clutch and doing whatever I could to get that decent time and decent start off the line. So I went all in on this run, and obviously we're going to be changing the gearbox and the clutch, so it didn't really matter what I do to the clutch, so enjoy. I wonder what these Seats will do, FRs. Racing car there. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching the golf in action there. It was good fun that day, really enjoyed myself. The only disappointment was the golf breaking, really. But yeah, it was a lovely day, the weather was good, the golf was feeling good for the first run. But yeah, where do we go from here, guys? I really don't know. I mean, it's not the issue of fixing the car, really, because I've got a gearbox in the back of my garden that I've had sitting there for about 1.5 years, a mint gearbox. So it can easily be changed over, new clutch, and the golf's back on the road. But it's what do I want to do next? I want something different, to be fair. Something that's more interesting. Maybe something that you guys would probably enjoy more. Because where do I go with the golf? The next options are forging it, more power, but then it's not even going to put the power down. Even if I put an LSD, it could be okay-ish. But, where do we go? So, at the moment, I've got a lot to think about. But, yeah, we'll see what to do. I might sell the car. I might break it for parts. I don't know, really, at the moment. But as for now, it's definitely broken and off the road. Luckily, though, I do have a BMW E46. That some of you might know, some of you might not, because I have put it on the channel a couple of times. It's just like a spare car on my driveway. So whenever, my car breaks or I have an issue, an engine mount failure or something on the golf, that's been my savior. So I've always kept that. But I have got content on it as well. So if you guys want to see that content, please comment below and let me know, because I've got some interesting stuff that I did on the PM. Small things like rebuilding the brakes and taking the wrap off and a couple of bits and pieces. But, it's all content at the end of the day. So if you guys want to see it, let me know. But yeah, until I decide what to do next, guys, keep well, keep safe, and I'll see you soon again. Take it easy. Bye.